I'm going to tell you about the 3 most important PLAB 1 preparation material or the resources that you must be using because they are crucial if you want to pass your PLAB 1 in the first attempt. And the best thing about all these 3 resources that I will tell you in this video is that they are totally free. Yes, that's right. You don't have to pay a single penny to use these 3 free resources for your PLAB 1 preparation. Well, in this video, I'm going to focus on 2 things. First are and why I will tell you why they are crucial for your PLAB 1 preparation. And the second thing that I'm going to tell you is how to use these material when you are preparing for your PLAB, if you want to pass your PLAB in the first attempt. So if you are interested in any of this, please keep watching till the end. So let's start. For you, the first PLAB 1 preparation or study material that is available totally free is the PLAB 1 blueprint. Now, for those of you who are wondering or who haven't heard of this one before, well, you can think of it as like a syllabus guide that is given by the General Medical Council of the UK. And you must be thinking, well, how it can help me in my PLAB preparation or why it is essential for PLAB 1 preparation. Well, as we all know, firstly, knowing what is expected is absolutely critical in passing the PLAB 1. It sets out the knowledge and the skills that are required of all the candidates who are writing the PLAB 1 exam. So let me give you an overview. Well, the first one is the knowledge section. What it covers the range of presentations and the conditions or the diseases that are normally tested in the PLAB 1 exam. And the second section that this PLAB 1 blueprint covers is what is known as domain section. Well, let me break it down for you. It basically means the ethical values or the professional behavior or the professional standards that are required from the doctors who are writing the PLAB 1 exam. Let me give you an example. You might get a question where you are given a scenario. Let's say you are working as a GP or as a family doctor, in other words, and a minor or an under 18 comes and she is asking for the OCPs. What do you do in this situation? Do you give her the OCPs? Or do you refuse to give any advice or the OCPs? What do you do with her parents? I mean, she's an under 18, she's still a child. So are you going to inform the parents of her sexual activity? What's happening? Are you going to inform the parents, or not? Are you going to involve the police? And when are you going to do that? So these are the ethical kind of questions that are tested in PLAB 1. So this PLAB 1 blueprint, it tells you what sections, what ethical things you must be aware of. Fantastic. If you are preparing for your PLAB 1 exam and you haven't joined any kind of academy and you are doing PLAB 1 preparation at home, so these resources will really help you there as well. So knowing what syllabus, what you're tested on is absolutely critical, and PLAB 1 blueprint that I'm telling you about will exactly tell you that. Okay, and how to get it? Obviously, you can just go on Google and it comes up. I will try and add a slide regarding that, but I will try and link in the card above or in the description below. Well, by the way, if I ask you the question, don't know the question, and it can come up in the PLAB 1 exam, I have made a video discussing this ethical situation that can come up in the PLAB 1 exam, and I will link it in the card above or in the description below, so make sure to check it out. So the second, the second free resource that is available for anybody who's preparing for PLAB 1 exam is the Plabable, free PLAB 1 webinars. Okay, let me give you an overview. All right, so basically these are for nowadays. So we all are stuck at home, and if you are preparing for your PLAB 1 exam, then it's perfect for you because you can attend this webinar as long as you have an internet connection and a computer or a phone. And you can attend that. So these, what do these cover? Let me give you an overview of that as well. So these Plabable free, number 1, they discuss the essential PLAB 1 revision topics. So the common topics that are discussed very frequently. The second thing that these webinars cover is how to deal with the difficult or lengthy questions. Because some of the candidates have reported that some of the questions in PLAB 1 exams are quite lengthy. So what is the strategy of dealing with these questions? And the third thing these free webinars cover is the tips and the techniques for PLAB exam. for the PLAB 1 exam. So the general tips and techniques and strategies that you can use, which I think is perfect. And again, let me stress on the fact that they are totally free, and the duration for these webinars is 1 hour. And the next one, in fact, that they are holding is on 7th of August. So you can actually, I will link in the description below the link for these webinars if you want to go and check it out. They also have a group, the Plabable group or the page on Facebook, and you can check it out there as well. But I will try and leave a link in the description below, so make sure to check it out. All right, so that was the second free resource that you must be using for your PLAB exam. Now let's move to the third one. The third, we say it is like the Bible for the PLAB 1, because these are so crucial. I just cannot stress on the fact how crucial they are if you want to pass your PLAB 1 in the first attempt. These are 1700 questions. There might be some people who haven't heard of these, so let me break it down. What are these that have come up very frequently? So these are the kind of questions or the topics that are frequently repeated in the PLAB 1 exam. All right, and now let me tell you access to them. So let me tell you, on Facebook there are a lot of groups. There are a million of groups out there, and if you go to one of the PLAB groups, and you go into the file section of that particular group, of any PLAB 1 group, you will find a link of the 1700 questions. Right, and I cannot just stress on the fact how important, how crucial they are. And even if you are preparing for your PLAB 1 preparation, you're doing just at home and you're not attending any academy, then it will be great help for you. The questions that you've gotten off from the Facebook group. Well, of course, it is essential knowing what is coming up repetitively, but of course that's not enough. The way you have to do these questions or revise these questions for your PLAB 1 exam is you must not only understand why the correct option is correct, but also must understand why the wrong answers are wrong. This is absolutely critical if you want to pass your PLAB 1 in the first attempt. All right. Okay, and let me tell you something very important here. Videos for some of the PLAB 1 1700 questions that I'm just telling you about, and I also cover the summaries of the topics. And what I will do is I have a whole playlist, so a lot of videos that I've done regarding this resource, and I will leave the link of the PLAB 1 preparation videos playlist in the description below, so make sure to check it out. And I've done a step-by-step tutorial of the questions, so I hope to do PLAB. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because you will find a lot of information regarding PLAB 1 exam on my channel, which will be very helpful for your preparation. And please make sure to hit the subscribe button, and please also press the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. So if you found it useful, please give me a thumbs up. It really means a lot to me. And if you have got any questions regarding what the resources, the free resources for PLAB 1 preparation, any questions, I will be more than happy to help, and please leave it as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in another video. Good luck and stay safe. Thank you.